So for number 11, we are given a torque which is equivalent to 55 Newton meter, a velocity of 8 feet per minute, but we should convert it to meters for consistency. So this is 12 inches per feet, cancel, then 2.54 cm per inch, so this would cancel also, and then times, so this is meters, 100 cm, so this would be equivalent to 2.4384 meters per minute. And now we are also given a lead of 9 millimeters, but we should convert it to meters also, so meters per 1000 millimeters. Cancel, then this would be equivalent to 0.009 meters. And now we need to find the power input. So to get the power input, so we should simply use the formula P in equals to 2 pi Pn over 60. But we still don't know what is the value of N, which is our RPM. So to get our N, so we should use the formula, the velocity equals to N, L, or the lead, and to get the N is equivalent to V, which is the velocity, over the lead. And now, so plug in the values, so 2.4384 meters per minute divided by 0.009 meters, so this would cancel, and then we'll have the value of N, which is equivalent to 270.9333 revolution per minute. And now we can now solve our power input. Pin is equivalent to 2 pi times T, which is 55 Newton meter, times our N, which is 270.9333 rev per minute divided by 60. So this is in watts, but we need it in horsepower, so we should multiply it to horsepower divided by 746 watts. So now we should be able to get P in, or P, power input, which is equivalent to 2.0918 horsepower, and that is the final answer.